Welcome back to EatSleepYangon channel. Now you can see we are at the valley stage. Actually, this is Dala township. Unlike the Yangon, the culture and civilization is totally different. You can see there are so many small house, and so this is the Dala township, and let's explore this area. I think this is the doodle juice. This is the place where they sell doodle juice or palm juice or palm wine. So let's find out the taste of. This is exciting and a little bit dangerous for a hiking for me. Let's go. So I ordered the palm juice, a part of palm juice. You can see this only the whole part of this only costs 2,000 kyat, which is $1. So this is really cheap, and this is alcoholic drink, but it is good for your health. But don't drink too much, and it will drink you. Oh my god! And I got salted egg. Drink with this, and they put the mat only when we are arrived, and you can choose the place, and they put the mat on the background, so you can choose anywhere you want. Like, oh my god, I want to sit there, so they will put your mat into there, and if you want this thing, they will put your mat into there. So let's try the taste of. This is really cute. This is half white and smells sweet. This is not like the taste of alcohol. This is like a juice or palm juice. That this is alcohol. This contains alcohol. Really sweet and sour. Especially this is sweet. And I'm gonna eat with salted egg. This tastes really good. Perfect. And you can order any kind of salad to drink with this palm juice. So this only costs, I think this is 800 kyat, so this is 40 cents. This is cheap too. And this is 2,000 kyat, $1. So they sent me this. This is tea leaf salad. And Myanmar people are really crazy about the tea leaf salad, and they always order when they drink alcoholic or something like that. They eat. Oh my god, this is chicken! Hi! Little chicken. So I I already made how to make daily salad, and whenever they drink tea or beer or palm juice or anything, whatever they drink, they order this drink. Now this daily salad to eat with. The taste is so much better than what I made. Oh my god. So I will eat this with I can't swim, by the way. The water was really I have to be careful about it. The landscape here is beautiful, so I will walk around this area, but I can't go into the pagoda because of my outfit. It is a little bit inappropriate for a pagoda area, so let's see. I really love to walk in this kind of area. So you can see this is really beautiful, and it is like building with Myanmar traditional canoe, and this is really beautiful, and it is cool here. I like the other road or street. And you can find so much green in Yangon area, but in this area, everywhere you see is green because there is no high building or something like that. And the houses are small, and you know, as you can see, these are eatable leaves, and I really love to eat them fried. Now I am here at the works factory from the Dala township in Myanmar. The electricity cut off very often. It's happened in a day, twice or thrice in a day. So we need to have candle is a must thing in every house. So let's find out. So this is the small business, family business. So you can see many kind of size of cattle in small size of large size in here. So it was for a while for some reason, and this is how we made candle from our works. So I bought this candle from here, and you can see how they make the candle. Oh, the liquid you see before is mixing with diesel and water to make it easier, and this only costs 1,000 jet, which is 50 cents, and this costs only 600 jet. You can see there are so many colors in here, and this only costs 600 jet, which is 30 cents. So this is very affordable and cheap price for every home. And yes, for my home. So let's go. Today I explored the wax factory and the palm juice or something like that. If you like this video, you will also like this video and this video too. See you!